Welcome! We are pleased by your interest in high-speed communication for next generation in vehicle networks. In this video, we'll be showing the standardized solution under development by KDPOF to reach a 50 gigabit per second bitrate over 40 meters of wiring harness, complying with the hardest OEM's EMC specs and meeting all the automotive requirements in terms of operation temperature, reliability, aging, mechanical and chemical loads, dirtiness, and harsh environment in general. And all this with outstanding low power and low cost. Please follow me to the KDPOF labs and I show you a demo of our multi-gig solution, 50 gigabit per second optical transmission for automotive. The demo will show high-speed PAM4 transmission over multi-mode optical fiber, operating at extreme temperatures with very low VCSEL driving currents to meet automotive reliability and aging requirements. VCSEL lifetime decreases with current and with temperature. At the same time, the performance is highly degraded with current decrease and temperature increase. Bandwidth is highly reduced, the noise is increased, and the optical power is decreased. KDPOF Advanced Digital Signal Processing counteracts all these effects to open the eye diagram. In addition to that, 980 nanometer VCSEL is much more reliable in high temperature than traditional datacom VCSEL, so bias current does not need to be highly reduced to warranty lifetime. This impacts in low complexity and low power consumption DSP. VCSEL process variation is big. For instance, oxide aperture area may vary from -40 up to 60%. Under the same driving conditions, different lots will have different current densities, different bandwidth, different noise, and even different optical power. Adaptive electronics would allow high yield and make the optical port economically feasible. VCSEL-optimized OM3 multimode glass optical fiber is suitable for automotive multi-gig communications. This fiber has the highest volume today with huge economy of scale. Long wavelength VCSEL, together with the OM3 multimode fiber, enable a reliable, low-cost, and EMC issue-free optical solution for next-generation multi-gig automotive communications in the car. Thank you for your attention, and do not hesitate to contact us.